Hi students, it's Miss James. I'm here to help you with distributing this x minus 9 squared. Okay, first thing we want you to notice is this little 2 right here. That means squared, which means the same number multiplied by itself. In this case, it's a whole parenthesis expression. So x minus 9 times x minus 9. All right, first step is to multiply the first 2, get x squared. Then multiply x times negative 9, get negative 9. Negative 9 times x. Oops, and I forgot an x right here. And then the last step, negative 9 times negative 9, positive 81. Okay. These two middle terms combine together to make negative 18x. This x squared has nothing else to combine with, so it just stays x squared. And this positive 81 has nothing else to combine with, so it stays like that. So this is my final simplified distributed out form right there. Okay, please let me know if you guys have any more questions. I'd be happy to answer them for you.